Most AI tools leave you with 20 open tabs, a massive headache, and a half-built idea that never makes you a single dollar. If you are tired of paying for software subscriptions that feel like homework instead of leverage, pay close attention. What if one single master app could command all your existing AI tools, map out a profitable business plan, write the copy, build the pages, and push your first income asset live in plain English? Today, we are breaking down a brand new launch that claims to do exactly that. Welcome back to App Verdict, the channel where we test tech tools so you do not waste your hard-earned money. Today, we are looking at the Wayland AI income engine created by Sean Donahoe. If you want my honest first impression, this is completely different from the usual software junk you see launched every week. It's not another cheap subscription. It's a desktop app that runs directly on your machine and acts as a foreman for models like Claude, Gemini, and ChatGPT. It bridges the gap between having an idea and actually shipping a product that makes money. If you want to skip the tech overwhelm, this is an absolute must-have. The Wayland AI income engine is designed specifically for affiliate marketers, digital creators, and entrepreneurs who are stuck in the building phase. If you don't have an ad budget, an email list, or a tech degree, this tool was built for you. The biggest objection it solves is incomplete execution. Most people fail because they get stuck trying to connect landing pages, write sales copy, or set up checkouts. Wayland acts as the project manager. You tell it what you want to build in plain English, and it coordinates the background work to deliver a finished, functional asset like a paid mini course, a high-converting sales funnel, or a lead capture machine. Let's look at how this actually works on your screen. Once you download the desktop application, you're greeted with a clean, unified workspace. You don't need a massive setup marathon. In the Central Command tab, you simply type your objective, like I want to build a paid course. From there, the engine breaks your request down into an actionable roadmap. You can watch it pull in specialized skills like direct response copywriting and page design. The software utilizes a special feature called the no-slop gate. This means the AI cross-audits its own output to eliminate generic text and bad code before it ever reaches your screen. Within a few clicks, you have fully built pages, completed copy, and structured checkouts ready to deploy. When you register for the free live workshop through the link below this video, you can secure the base software immediately. But to get the absolute most out of this engine, you should look at the strategic upgrades inside the funnel. The front-end upgrade is a 5-day live masterclass. The early bird price is just $27, which scales up to $47 later. This is where you build and ship your first asset live with step-by-step guidance. Upgrade number 1 is the Red Carpet VIP access for $97, giving you priority question and answer sessions and custom plan audits. Upgrade number 2 is the Inner Circle Elite for $197, offering a 30-day cohort and 2 live clinics per week. Finally, upgrade number 3 is the AI Forge 1-day intensive for $497, which gives you a full working day of direct strategy with Sean Donahoe. There's also a complete bundle offer pitched live during the training for $497. To make this a complete no-brainer for our viewers, the App Verdicts channel has put together an exclusive, massive bonus stack worth thousands of dollars. You'll get all 10 of these premium tools delivered instantly inside your purchase area when you get the masterclass through our link below this video. First, you get WP Checkout Maximizer, which instantly stops cart abandonment and recovers lost revenue on your new funnels. Second, we're throwing in Keyword Research Ninja 2.0 to help you extract highly profitable traffic terms from Google, YouTube, and Amazon. Third, you receive Backlinks Analyzer software to audit and boost your search engine rankings so your new assets get free traffic fast. Fourth, you get WP Email Timer Plus to inject high-converting scarcity countdowns directly inside your promotional emails. Fifth is Action Stimulator, a brilliant tool that generates live social proof notifications on your website to increase buyer trust. Sixth, you get Client Extractor, which pulls local business data from Google Maps so you can sell the funnels Wayland builds for hungry clients for premium fees. Seventh is Facebook Viral Turbo Machine, which forces visitors to share your content on social media before they can unlock your lead magnets. Eighth, you get Twitter Viral Traffic Content Locker to instantly tap into the follower networks of everyone who visits your page. Ninth is Viral Suite, a premium plugin to build highly shareable quizzes and media lists that drive automated traffic. 10th, you get Support Board, a professional live chat and ticketing system to handle client communication like a major corporation. The final verdict is simple. The Wayland AI income engine completely removes the friction of building an online business. It puts the control back in your hands without the subscription fatigue. However, you need to act fast. The special launch pricing and our exclusive 10 plugin app verdict bonus stack are highly limited. The custom bonuses are only available for the first 25 buyers who upgrade through our link below, and the early bird masterclass pricing expires very soon. Don't wait around and end up paying double for the exact same system. If you want to claim your engine and secure all 10 exclusive bonuses, click the link in the description box right below this video right now. Register for the workshop, download the software to your machine, and see the proof with your own eyes. If you found this review helpful, make sure to smash the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions about the funnel, and subscribe to App Verdict for more honest tech breakdowns. Click the link below, and I will see you in the next video.